Caleb,
Say hi, Dadas.
Cook.
what are you doing?
Tell Daddy what we're doing. What are we doing?
Green.
Are you coloring
green?
eggs?
Show Daddy how you color eggs.
Green.
Yeah. We let it cook. Let it cook. Yeah. What's the last? There's only one egg left. What color do you want it to be? Only one egg. What color?
Us. Nope.
What color do you want it? Red, purple, blue, or yellow? No? What color?
Green.
Well, that one's already cooking. How about we do another color?
Green.
We'll put two of them in green. They won't fit.
How about blue?
How about blue? Blue? Oh, okay.
Cook.
Yes, it's cooking, isn't it? Pretty colors.
Green. Green.
This is green. We're making a green one. Oh, it's so pretty. We let it cook more. Let it. No, 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 no. Okay, okay. Put it back. Put it back. Okay.
Cook. Mess.
Yes, it is a mess. You're a mess.
Green.
Yes, your hands are a big mess.
Let me see your hands.
Show Daddy your hands. Let's hope that comes off.
Hands.
Hands. Are they a mess?
Hands.
Are your hands a mess?
Wipes. Wipes.
Yeah, you need wipes. We'll give you a bath